In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email as read and unread in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll feel confident tidying up your inbox quickly, whether you're handling a single message or clearing a whole batch. First, open a web browser and log into Yahoo Mail. I recommend using a modern, up-to-date browser so everything looks and behaves as expected. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your inbox, and from here we'll walk through the simple ways to mark messages as read and unread. Let's start with marking an email as read. The most straightforward way is to open the email. As soon as you click into a message, Yahoo Mail treats it as read, and you'll notice the bold formatting disappears when you go back to your inbox. If you don't want to open it, you can also mark it as read directly from the inbox. Click once to select the email, then look for the More menu, which appears as 3 dots in the toolbar above your message list. Click those 3 dots and choose Mark as Read. This is handy when you just want to clear the unread indicator without loading the message. Now, if you need to mark something as unread so you can come back to it later, you have 2 easy options. The quickest is to right-click the email in your inbox. That opens a small menu right next to the message. From there, select Mark as Unread. You'll see the email return to bold, signaling it's now unread. Alternatively, you can select the message and use the options that appear in the toolbar to choose Mark as Unread. Both approaches do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural. If your inbox has piled up with unread messages and you want to clear them in one go, there's a simple bulk method. In the left side menu, click Unread to filter your view so you only see messages that haven't been opened. At the top of the message list, use the checkbox to select all visible emails. Once they're selected, click the 3-dot More menu in the toolbar and choose Mark as Read. This updates them all at once and helps you reset your inbox quickly. A couple of quick tips as you work: keep an eye on the unread count next to your folders to confirm your changes, and remember that you can always reverse a change by marking a message unread again. That's it: clean, quick, and effective.